Hello everyone, this is Math Connect. How do we know if a number is divisible by 7? Check these examples. Which among the numbers is or are divisible by 7? If you want to try, please pause the video. So this is the quick check to determine if a number is divisible by 7. So let's have, for example, 322. The first thing to do is to separate the last digit from the rest of the digits. So let's say, for example, 32. I'm going to separate the last digit, which is 2. I am going to multiply this by 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. So this answer will be used to subtract to the remaining digits. So 32 minus 4 is 28. Now, if the difference is divisible by 7, let's say 28 is divisible by 7 because 7 times 4 is 28. So therefore, 322 is divisible by 7. So let's have 1925. So again, separate the last digit and write the rest of the digit. Multiply this by 2. 5 times 2 is 10. And then subtract it to the remaining digits. 192 minus 10 is 182. Now, since your number is still a big number, repeat the method. So what I'm going to do is to separate the last digit, multiply it by 2. 2 times 2 is 4, and subtract it to the remaining digit. 18 minus 4 is 14. So therefore, 1925 is divisible by 7. So let's have 1721. So again, separate the last digit, multiply it by 2. 1 times 2 is 2. Subtract it to the remaining digit. So 172 minus 2 is 170. So this is still big. So what we're going to do is to separate the last digit from the rest of the digit. Multiply it by 2. 0 times 2 is 0. So subtract it to the remaining digit. 17 minus 0 is still 17. And 17 is not divisible by 7. So therefore, 1721 is not divisible by 7. Now it's your turn. Which among these numbers is or are divisible by 7? Write your answer in the comment section.